quick update on the email air unit. And just see how it works on a heat. It's a light fan. Working. Not the nicest coil, but this has got somewhat airflow through it now. Still looks pretty horrible. Gotta get some new bloody fin combs, sort that out. Better than it was though. It's got airflow through it now. Yeah, compressor's a little pingy, but the unit's probably a bit tired. Not breaking apart or anything, the fins. Just really fucking damaged. Still got paint in the bottom there, it's a bit corroded. There's some of the compressor too, and other shit in there. It's a bit, like a bit of a paint. All part of the job. It still stinks like bloody spice shop. I don't know if that's where it came from, but it just has a certain spicy smell about it. It's pretty strange. Oh well, it works though. The coils come up pretty good. Except for the outside one there, though, that's still a bit fucked up, but what do you do? The box is cleaned up well with a bit of cut and polish. Yeah, it's got a shine to it now. And the front cover, not the prettiest looking thing, but I don't mind the old wood grains. I think they look better than the bloody plain white shit you see nowadays. Still got to get a filter for it. Got a KDK going today, it's a bit warm. Seems to be doing alright. Not bad at all. This is starting to settle in. It's getting hot. Bloody solenoid on this one bloody Actrol. Usually these have got what is it? Ranco Japan or USA solenoids on them. Nothing wrong with it, bloody works. Bigger than the other ones. Maybe condensate, that's alright. Already tested on cool, works nice on cool, so hopefully I'll get close to 300 for this once it's finished. Hopefully. Putting out nice warm air. Turn it off. Yeah, a bit harsh on the shutdown, but I'm only going to sell the bastard anyway. I couldn't give a shit. Anyway, thanks for watching.